Hi students, I just wanted to quickly talk through how you're going to be able to access your online learning whilst you're away from the academy. So this is a little step-by-step guide through exactly how you're going to be able to do that. So you'll need to log into your computer when you're at home and access your internet. Once you've accessed your internet, you'll need to go onto your email address. So click the Gmail and then click on your inbox. When you're in your inbox, you will see a host of emails from your teaching staff with the lesson title as part of the body. For me, I'm going to choose to go into Mr. Bradley's lesson, Year 10 form group. So I'll click on the email link, I'll scroll down and I'll click where it says meet. So click where it says joining info meet. And that will take me to my lesson with Mr. Bradley. I'll click join now and Mr. Bradley will appear ready to teach. I'll make sure that my microphone and my camera is turned off at all times during the lesson. I will have my lesson with Mr. Bradley and then at the end of the lesson I'll simply end call. So I'll click end call. I'll give it a little 5-star rating for Google, and then that's that lesson done. It will become more familiar with you. You will get used to it the more you do it, and it will become pretty easy for you. There is an alternative method that I'll quickly run through, and the way in which you can do that is by clicking this little tab here, going to your Google Calendar, finding the date of your lesson. So the date of my lesson just was the 23rd and it was my form session. So I'll click on my form session, click join, and again that will take me to my lesson with Mr. Bradley, who's there waiting for me again. Same as always, microphone off, camera off, ready to learn, and once the lesson's finished, as always, simply just end the call and a little 5-star rating for Google. If you've got any questions at all, please don't hesitate to pick the phone up and give us a call. We should be able to help you.